endless silence of space, something watches us, a mysterious object orbiting Earth that shouldn't exist. Some say it's a Cold War relic, others insist it's been here for 13,000 years. They call it the Black Knight satellite. This is not a story of aliens landing on Earth, it's the story of something already here. It all began in 1954, 3 years before the launch of Sputnik. An American researcher claimed to have detected 2 mysterious satellites orbiting Earth. The problem? At that time, no country had successfully launched anything into orbit. Newspapers went wild. Headlines spoke of alien satellites circling the planet, long before space travel even existed. Then, a few years later, something even stranger happened. In the 1960s, radio operators around the world began receiving slow, repeating signals. At first, they thought it was natural interference, but one signal in particular caught their attention. It came from the polar orbit, a type of orbit used today for Earth observation satellites, but which didn't exist at the time. A Norwegian engineer named Jorgen Hals reported hearing echoes, radio signals bouncing back from space seconds after transmission. NASA later called these long delays echoes, but never provided a full explanation. Some believed it was the Black Knight sending something back, not noise, but a message. Fast forward to 1998, the crew aboard NASA's Space Shuttle Endeavour captured several photographs of a strange, dark object orbiting Earth, angular, metallic, drifting silently into the void. NASA dismissed it as space debris, a thermal blanket lost during construction of the International Space Station. But for many who saw the images, the shape looked far too structured, too deliberate. Was this the same object spotted in the 1950s? Had it been orbiting us for decades, or perhaps centuries? Here is where the story takes a darker, almost prophetic turn. In 1899, Nikola Tesla built a massive radio tower in Colorado Springs, hoping to contact other planets. Late one night, Tesla recorded a series of repeating signals, unlike anything he had ever encountered. He wrote in his notes that changes are taking place periodically, and with such a clear suggestion of number and order that they are not traceable to any cause known to me on Earth. Many now believe Tesla had intercepted the first transmission from the Black Knight satellite, decades before we even entered the space age. Researchers have tried to map the satellite's orbit and found something chilling. Its trajectory passes over both poles, returning to roughly the same position every 104 minutes. In 1973, Scottish author Duncan Lunan analysed the echo signals and claimed to decode a message hidden within. According to Lunan, the transmission said, "We are from Epsilon Bootes, a double star system. We have been here for 13,000 years. Watch for our return." NASA and mainstream scientists quickly dismissed this as coincidence, but to this day, no one can fully explain all the reports or the photos. Every time someone tries to investigate, the evidence seems to vanish. Archived radio data goes missing. NASA quietly reclassifies documents. Even the original lost blanket photos have been altered on several platforms. Could all of this really be coincidence? Or is the Black Knight something humanity wasn't meant to uncover? Not yet. If the Black Knight satellite is real, who placed it there? Why has it remained silent? Or has it? Some theorists suggest it's part of an ancient extraterrestrial monitoring network, left to observe us until we're ready for contact. Others think it's a remnant of an advanced ancient civilization, forgotten by time and rediscovered by chance. Whatever it is, It watches from above in total silence, neither moving nor speaking, just waiting. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, there might be something looking back at you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.